Hi, my name is Cece, and today I'll be sharing with you guys how to use SlideShare. What SlideShare is a website that allows people to upload their personal presentations to allow others to use them, or you can find some other presentations that you would like as well. So let's start by finding some SlideShare as follows. So first you'll click on this Explore tab, and it'll take you to a page where it gives you different options to choose from depending on the topic that you want to do. I decided to click Education because that's what I want to major in. And these little plus mark arrows right here in the corner just show if you follow them. And when you follow them, it's going to give you more content based on the topic that you pick. So I clicked on education and it brought me to this home page where there are all sorts of different presentations from classroom or adult to adult, depending on what you're looking for. So let's just to get a feel of it, I'll just click on the first one. And it's going to take you to this page and you can see it right here. People leave nice comments. And then that's basically all. When you want to make it larger, you got it right here and you're ready to go. And if you want to filter it more, you can by using the search bar, type something specific. You don't have to, but you can. Or you can sort it by here, or you can click on more filters, choose a different category, or a different type, infographic, documents, videos, different languages. It's really helpful. If you see up here, you can see that I'm following them, so they'll give me more of their content. So now that we have that out of the way, let's look at how we upload. So to upload your own personal presentation, you're going to go to this upload link that's over here. And you have to have an account to actually access the upload. You don't have to have an account to use another SlideShare. So to upload, you're here on this page. You're going to select files to upload, or you can download from the cloud. I don't have that, so I just clicked on this one. And I'm just going to use my SlideShare one that I created before, just for an example. And so if you look down here, you can see that I have a discoverability score, and that's depending on who can access what based on what I choose. So I have my title here. I'm just going to add a description just to help my discoverability score. How to use. And if you look down here, you can see that my discoverability score increased. And that changes depending on the topic that you choose. As you can see, it increased some more. And your setting as well. You can add tags. So I'll do education, higher ed. Let's see, we could do elementary. Oops, I don't have that, so that's not going to be a good one. And my score increased some more. And here you can change your settings. For now, I'm just going to choose to do limited. Well, I'm going to do private, mainly because I don't want anyone else to access this because I'm going to delete it. So then I click publish. You usually see my score decrease as well right here. And then you're done. Once you click publish. And that's it. Hope this helped you.